Okay, you guys, I'm actually super excited. I know you're gonna think it's weird, but we're going to get donuts. We get donuts like 3 times a year, and we're in a place that, there's a bug thing in the back. If you guys don't have one of these, you have to get one. They're amazing. Anyway, we're in a place where we're by the world's best donuts. So we have to go get them, and I'm excited. So let's go.
Hi, I'm Shalane, this is Dean, and we are
Grassroots Living.
And this is how we live our love.
By the way, Dean thinks we're only gonna get 1 donut today. Good morning. We are on our way to Grand Marais for some donuts. How many donuts we gonna get, babe?
I think 1 for me.
I think 1 dozen for me. Is that a problem?
Oh, except for I'll end up eating half of them.
He always makes me get all the sweets and acts like he's not gonna eat it because he's too healthy, but then he eats it. Anyway, we'll see. I'm excited. I'm almost overly excited. But how many times a year we get donuts? Like maybe 3 times a year.
Could be.
So I'm kind of excited. All right, so I didn't get a dozen, but I'm gonna show you what we got. Okay, so this one they didn't even put in a bag because I asked him if they had a white, like frosting glaze, white frosting cake. And they didn't, but she said, I can make you one, so she made that for me. And she didn't bag it because the frosting is still, all gooey. So there's one. And this one is kind of, what's it called? I think it's called a frizzle or something like that. But this is kind of what they're known for. It's kind of their specialty. And they have this stretched dough and they fry it on both sides and then they cover it in sugar. So that's a surprise to you, isn't it? You didn't even know we were getting this. I just ordered. Dean didn't know what I was ordering. As long as he got his glazed, he was happy. So then we got, this is just a cinnamon sugar cake donut. And let's see. Just a regular raised thingy. Then they gave me a chocolate one. Oh, bummer, it has sprinkles. Well, Dean will have to eat the side with sprinkles because I'm not a sprinkle kind of girl. And this, and that's what we got. I'm ashamed to say that we may finish this off before we go anywhere because of how I'm hungry, and every one of these looks amazing, so I'm gonna eat them. Okay, so it's been approximately 37 seconds since we talked to you last, and we've eaten all the donuts. That's not true. It's not true, but I ate 1, and hello, these are insane. Like the cake donuts, if you don't like cake donuts, well, you have to eat these cake donuts because that was amazing, you guys, for real.
What's the name of this place?
Oh, it's called the World's Best Donuts. That's the name of the restaurant. And I think this thing was called a frizzle, right? Skizzle. I think it was called a skizzle. Let me show it to you again. Dean's already done some damage, but so this thing, you saw it when we first had it, is really, really big. It's the size of the plate, and it was only $2. It's so good. Okay, so let me tell you what we're gonna be doing today after we finish feeding our face here. By the way, consensus is, I didn't love the chocolate, Dean did, because he said it tasted like Hershey's chocolate syrup. Yeah, Hershey's syrup, which I don't like Hershey's chocolate syrup, so I didn't like it. This monstrous thing was amazing. We probably won't be able to do our laundry today like we planned because I'll be lethargic. and we'll just have to sleep. But that's okay. We have our house with us all the time, so we can just take a nap before we go do laundry. My favorite donut was the cake donut with the white frosting. Like I said, I kind of special requested that, and they made it, and it was insane. That was my favorite. Do you have a favorite? And he had, he likes glazed donuts, so he had his glazed donut. Honestly, we haven't finished them all yet, but it's kind of the plan, I'm not gonna lie.
It's a pretty big claim to go ahead and say the world's best donuts, but they're darn good.
They are the world's, okay, camera shift. The cake donuts are the best cake donuts ever. Can you say that?
That is true.
Their cake donuts, well, and it says that that's what they're known for. That's their specialty, and it was amazing. This is kind of a busy little town, by the way. Yeah, you're not even a fan of cake donuts, but we'll have to show you the line. The line was insanely long, but pro tip, there's a side window. Sorry about the traffic, you guys. This is a busy little tourist town. Did I tell you where we are? Did I tell them where we are? Where are we at? Grand Marais. We're in Grand Marais. It's a busy little tourist town. Yeah, Minnesota. Right here on Lake Superior. It's so much fun here, you guys. Pro tip though, there's a side window. The line was insanely long, but somebody was like, how come nobody's at the window? Do I have sugar on my face? Whatever. And he told us to come around to the window. So we did that, and you know, we just stood in line for like, yeah, we were second ones there, and we stood in line for like 5 minutes, and yeah, we got our donuts. So go to the side window. Come to Grand Marais. Are you kidding? This is a very cool place. Anyway, yummy donuts.
Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me, we could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious.
It's called Putt and Pets, and it's super cute. You can get like a little bag and do some prospecting here, and they've got all of the animals, and they've got little games. There's like a, what is this over here? One of those things where you can hammer that little thing and it goes ding up at the top. And they've got just little silly games, and it's just a super fun, cute place.
Should
All right, got to show you the good results on this. I don't know if you can see, but I actually finished with a 45 and the par is 50. So I was 5 under par. Best I've golfed in miniature golf in probably 30 or 40 years. Everything dropped today. Now, if you'll notice hers, she ended up with a 58 and a half. I'll just let you use your imagination and try to figure out what that is all about.
Well, there were goats and birds and crickets and flowers.
And you know how distracted she is all the time. So I said, what'd you get? 3 or 4? And she said, 3 and a half. I said, good enough.
Okay, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get a shot of it, but we were driving down the highway. You can see we parked, well, it's behind me. And I saw a bear in a tree down here. My first bear sighting. Actually, when we were in Canada, we saw a little baby bear crossing the road. We didn't get a shot of it. But as we were coming down the highway, I saw a bear in a tree down here. So we pulled over as quickly as we could. We were on a bridge, so we had to wait a second. And so we just pulled over and we're gonna go see if we can get a glimpse of this bear up in the tree. I'm not seeing him. And I'm not 100% comfortable knowing that he was in a tree, and now I'm not seeing him anywhere. Shoot, well, I got to see a bear anyway. I just didn't get to film him. Well, we didn't get him on camera, but it was fun to see him up in the tree having his little snack. But we looked, and then we were gonna get a little closer and see if we could find him, but we were getting a little too far from the truck. We don't have any bear spray. Didn't know where he was, so we thought it would be wise to walk on back to the truck.
Yeah, we'll probably be okay. It looks like a black bear.
Yeah, but we saw a bear, so yay! All right, so that was an epic adventure. Such a fun day with the golfing and the gorgeous overlook, and we did laundry.
That's not as exciting.
And I'd edited some video. But we had the donuts and the golfing.
No, not just donuts.
The world's best donuts.
That's right. Said it right there on the side.
Yeah. So it was a fabulous day, and we're so glad that you came with us. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. It helps us up. It helps us out. Subscribe and share, and we will see you guys next week. This is Grassroots Living, reminding you to get down to the grassroots of what makes you happy and live your love.
We're thinking of you, and we'll catch you next time.
Peace out.